be chalo kit malaika. Pedano weng mud, pedano weng mud. Kadi chuni leng chalo peacock. Pedano weng mud, pedano weng mud. Eddy Wizzy music. I just did it.
Eddy Wizzy. You know, the most recent song by Eddy Wizzy is called Steady. And now, welcome to this video, which we're going to talk about what makes Eddy Wizzy keeps going steadily. What makes Eddy Wizzy keep sailing steadily? Eddy Wizzy derives his secret from something very small that many people don't see, and that is what is called simplicity. Just like Jose Mourinho one time said, simplicity is genius. Eddy Wizzy has been using simplicity to let his music go through. And what is that simplicity? The simplicity Eddy Wizzy is putting is in the chorus. He makes the chorus more than the verses. You know, human brain are always resistant to evolution, especially external evolution, like changes in beats. That's why many people don't like rap music. So, when you bring a rap song to somebody whose brain is resistant to evolution, is not elastic to changes, to take changes, the person may not like rap music. And that's why many people don't like rap music and reggae music, because verses are much, verses, raps, and those things. But now, the style that Eddy Wizzy goes through, that is the simplicity, is in the chorus, lot of choruses. Now, I want to give you an example. For example, at Steady, Eddy Wizzy can pick like 2 words or 1 word, or at most only 3, and he keeps repeating, matching with the beats to produce the rhythm that shoots the happiness of the artist. Now, at Steady, those are 2 words. Now, the way he sings, at Steady, very low, but down tech, at Steady, only 2 words in that line, only 2 key words in that line. Now, let me bring another song called Gimara. Gimara is a song which means if you love me. Now, in a Chope, that's only 1 word. So he chose only 1 word to capture the audience. Talk to me, Imara. Baby, going on Imara. Amiti Megere Imara. Equity is only 2 words. Ibala, we are quiddy, quiddy. I win your money, gonna everything is quiddy. Eh? So quiddy is only 2 words. I know a miracle yako quiddy. Emako we are quiddy kaiting, I know you link. We caught you, Eddy Wizzy. I have caught you, Eddy Wizzy. I caught you red-handed, but I caught you doing the right thing. Eh? That's your genius. May you continue that. If I'm to look at another example of Eddy Wizzy song, there are just very many songs of Eddy Wizzy. Yeah. Songs like a lot of songs where the guy sang and you know, these are the kind of rhymes that he has been making. So, thank you very much, Eddy Wizzy. May you continue with entertaining the Chope people, and to the fans, may you support Eddy Wizzy and as well other music artists in the Chope land. Thank you very much for watching this video. If the video made sense to you, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's a way to see you in another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I know money, chillo, we are ding dong. Chillo, we are ding dong. I can take a bullet for you, baby. I can kill somebody for you, baby. I like it when you call me daddy. Oh, and I call you mommy. Yeah. I win you money, gonna chunya chala tung 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 tung. I win you money, gonna chunya chala tung tung.